Bringing a food truck to Thomasville sounds simple, but one local says it's anything but. I'm Leanne Abutarbush, your Thomasville neighborhood reporter, and I'm breaking down the barriers they face and why they think local businesses should have it easier.
It was a very tedious process. Took us a little over a year to get everything done officially. We even gave up last year when we purchased the trailer in March of last year, but the process was so long and we were given such a hard time from the city of Thomasville that we stopped.
That process included back and forth with permits, fire inspections, and health department approvals.
After everything, they tell us, hey, you got to have a grease trap. And we're like, what? That's something that you should tell someone up front. Because people could go out and get a building and do all of the other things that you tell them. And then in the end, they don't have a grease trap and it's all pointless.
Turns out her tax office already had a grease trap from when it was a restaurant. That lucky break helped them move forward and finally open. Even after all the setbacks, they're now the first food truck in Thomasville, and neighbors are lining up to support.
I think it's wonderful. I can't wait to come back and try the goat, and hope they put pork on their menu.
Ruthie Boff says she's already spreading the word in the neighborhood.
Our neighbors told us, and then we saw the Jamaican flags and said, oh, maybe there'll be bobsledders.
Jaquila and her Jamaican husband wanted to give back from day one, offering everything half off on opening day as a thank you to the community.
And people have been showing up for us every single day. Our time, and we said we would be open from 12 until 5 p.m. every day, but we sell out before 5 p.m. every single day.
If you want to support this local business, they're open Tuesday through Saturday from noon until 5 p.m. In Thomasville, I'm Leanne Abutarbush, ABC 27.